fun question to ask you. Do you watch videos every single day? If you're like me, you probably watch videos all the time. But did you know that you can actually make money online by watching videos? I bet you $100 that you didn't know that. And that's exactly why you're watching today's video. Don't worry because I got you on this one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by watching the videos that you're already watching. But this time, I'm going to make you guys earn from it. You can earn up to $20 and I can guarantee that you will because I discovered this method firsthand. You don't need much to be able to earn like this. You just need your laptop or computer or your mobile phone. It doesn't really matter. You also need an internet connection, of course, because this is about making money online. And to go online, you'll need an internet connection. Anyway, the earning potential of today's method is actually insane. If you watch one video playlist, then you can earn $20. If you watch a 10 video playlist, then you can earn $200. And if you watch a 20 video playlist, then you can earn $400. Now that is insane. And the best thing about this method, it's 100% free, which means that you won't need to make any cash advancements or investments or show money or free trials or whatever like that, nothing. You can sign up, join, work, and earn for absolutely free. So make sure that you stick around and watch this entire video because you never know, I might throw in a bonus tip that can help you make more money than anyone else. But if you're not interested in that chance, then that would be your loss. The process is a little bit tricky, but it's very simple if you just watch the entire video from start to finish and not skip any part. Then you'll definitely be successful in our method for today. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. The first thing that we want you to do is to go on youtube.com and then look up plank tutorials. Now you can see there are a ton of search results and you can also see that these results have thousands of views. Now we're going to utilize these videos to earn our money. Next, we want you to open up a new tab and then proceed to type in adfoc.us and then hit enter on that. This is what you should see next. And basically, this platform makes you shrink your link, share that link, and earn. My favorite word, earn. So it says AdFocus is a free short URL redirection service with a twist. Get paid for links you share on the internet. You can place links on your websites, forums, and so much more. You can pay out through PayPal, Bitcoin, and many more. You can even earn up to $22 per 1,000 visits to shorten your URLs. Generate stats on the fly and break down by countries, refers, and specific dates. We pay out users every month for earnings above $10. This platform also has a referral program, and you can earn 20% of revenue generated by your referrals for life. Let's go ahead and try this really quickly. Now go on YouTube again and choose a video. Let's choose this one because there's a ton of views and that's what we want. And then click on the share button below the video, and then you're going to want to copy that link and then go back to AdFoc, paste that link that you just copied, click on shrink, and boom, you shorten your link. It's now ready and you can start making money from that link alone. Now the concept is that if someone clicks on your link, you're going to earn a lot of money. I mentioned earlier that this method pays out through PayPal and Bitcoin, but I want to know what your preferred payment method is, and why exactly do you like that payment method? Let me know in the comments down below because this can definitely help me out in creating future videos for you guys. I'm going to teach you in a sec what exactly you can do to make money out of this link. Also, because those people who will click on your link, they live in certain countries, of course, and the countries that they're coming from actually have corresponding amounts that will pay out to you. It sounds kind of confusing, but I'll just show you instead. So right now you can see the payout rates section of AdFoc. And what I was trying to tell you earlier was that if someone from the United States clicks on your link, then you will earn $26. If someone from Canada or Australia clicks on your link, then you'll get $13. If someone from the UK, from Sweden, Italy, or Denmark clicks on your link, then you'll get paid $12 and so on and so forth. So basically, the amount paid to you is all based on what country or what part of the world these people who will click on your link are from. And it's great that the equivalent of US clickers is at a high price because they're the easiest audience to target, and we're going to show you how you can find the perfect US audience right away so you can start making the most amount of money. Now we're going to sign up for an account. And to do so, just click on the sign up button over here, and then this should pop up. So just fill up the details being asked of you. Email twice, your password twice again, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and then once it's all completed and ready to go, just click on join now. Once you've signed up, you can right away just log into your account by going back to the website's homepage and then scrolling down to the bottom part of the page. Then input your email and password, hit login, and this is how the inside of your account should look like. As you can see, they say that your account information is incomplete, so make sure that you update your account settings before anything else. And to do that, just click on the account settings link, and that should take you here. And all you need to do is provide everything it is that they're asking for, or else you won't get the money that they promised you. So do your part so that this will be a successful method for all of you guys. Now you should be able to go back on your homepage once you've completed that. If you're liking our video so far, then I suggest that you give this video a 2 thumbs up before our video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Now we want you to do what we showed you earlier 5 times. You're going to look for planking videos that have thousands or even millions of views. Open that video up. Copy the link to the video, paste it on AdFoc, and shorten the link. Now, I want you to do that 5 times and even more if you can. So once you've repeated that 5 times or more, okay, now once you've done that, we want you to open a new tab and type in forum.bodybuilding.com. This platform is very famous because thousands of people from the US and all the highest paying countries come on here to get some tips and tricks on how to lose weight and become healthy. When you scroll down and look through the website, you'll see so many posts that are health related or workout related, and that's basically the whole website for you. So many people put up posts on this website about these things, and you can even check out how many people click or view these posts. Okay, hundreds of thousands of people, even a million, all right? 1 million views, 600,000 views, 800,000 views. So these are insanely a lot. And imagine your plank link on here and imagine how many views that will get, especially because you're doing more than one link. So to target people from the US to see your link and click on your link so you can get the highest possible pay, make sure that you go on the flag icon at the top right and make sure that it's programmed to have the flag of the United States. In that way, all of the forms that pop out will be US based, which means people from the US are the ones that will be on here, and that is exactly what we're looking for. Then you can see the forms that you can choose from that are US based, and let's just choose a random one like this one, exercise form right here, since planking is a very famous form of exercise. And what you want to post here is something like this: First, you're gonna give some information about planking, and then you can actually look that information up on Google to give them more reliable information. You don't want to be a pretend trainer here, don't you? And then you want to insert those shortened video links that lead to your planking tutorials, and as much as possible you attach all 5 links and even more if you can to make the most possible money. Now note, you can also add different types of exercises. You don't need to stick to one, but I think that the planking tutorials are the best suggestion for now. So try that out. Let us know how it goes. Just leave a comment down below, and that is everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.